Hello guys, and welcome back for another video. This is the hisense smart TV. This is the video powered by Android. So I'm going to show you how to connect your Dstv stream account to this particular TV. So what you have to do is to go to your video app store and make sure you have installed the Dstv stream account. If you haven't, you go on and type in Dstv stream. It will just pop up there, and you'll be able to tap install. If you have it already, you go on and open the application. It will load within a few seconds. Make sure the internet connection is really stable, so it will display something like that. That is the code. We shall need it in the further process, so make sure you note that code down before we proceed to our smartphone, so that we connect this to the phone and the TV at once. So let's go onto our smartphone. Make sure you also have this stream account, and in this phone, make sure you already logged into your Dstv stream account. You have your user details, you have the emails, what and what. So you go on and tap there, go on and tap log into TV. It will display something like this. It shows that we need a code that we are going to put into this area here. So we are going to go back onto our smart TV, and you get that code, which is PXL38. We put in here PX XL3 8. Then it will load within a few seconds, and we will be able to go into our Dstv stream account. You choose the profile you want, and there we are already into our Dstv stream account. It is very easy. Remember, you have to have the account already logged into your phone. The application is installed on your smart TV, and the internet connection is very stable. This will be easy for you, so that you do everything within a few seconds. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.